In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on NFC on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you can do this on literally any iPhone you have. But what you're first going to need is the shortcuts application, which for me is right here. But if you don't have it, go ahead and download it from the App Store because it should be available. But on many iPhones, especially the recent ones, it's going to be downloaded automatically. So go over to your shortcuts app. And once you're here, go over to automation, which is the middle tab right at the bottom. And then you're going to see new automation as one of the options. So once you go ahead and click on that, all you want to do is scroll down. You're going to see NFC. This is when I tap an NFC tag. Go ahead and click on that. Now you can run after confirmation or run immediately. So just do whichever one you want. Go ahead and press scan, and it's going to say ready to scan. Hold your device near the NFC tag. And then, yeah, that's literally it. So you can just have that ready whenever you want. And it's as simple as that. And if I just go ahead and press next, I could just go ahead and save it as well if I want to. And then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through. And you might find something you didn't know about yet.